Well, with every good foundation, you need a great footing, and that's what we're replacing today. We got the footing forms in place, we're placing the concrete, now putting the reinforcing vertical rods into place, and that's for the ICF system that's going to be used for the foundation. That's the insulated concrete form system, and that's the next step. Well, we've got the footings all finished. In fact, we've got 2 rows already in place of the ICF system. That's the insulated concrete form system called ARCS, and it's by ARCS Building Products. And to talk about it, I've got Glenn. How are you doing, Glenn?
Hello, Shell. I'm doing great.
Hey, now this is a system that is unbelievable. It's so fast, it's so light, and it looks as though it's so easy. It's just like that Lego set. Tell me about it.
This is an insulated concrete form, ICF market they call it. And this is a 90-degree corner, what you're holding. It comes to the site just like that, and it's held together with these plastic webs.
Now you've got, this is a corner piece, and then you got the straight pieces, obviously, that are being put in place right now. But, you know, the system, tell me about it. It's obviously pretty safe to work with.
It is, and just to show you here, this is what's holding the whole thing together. This is a product made in Canada,
now,
made out of plastic.
Plastic?
Yes.
Now, what about all the grooves here?
Well, that's for our rebar to lock into. You'll
so
see
this is down in here then?
We have many different options that we can work with to engineer a job.
Right. Now down inside here, this so I could see that what you're pointing at. Now you got horizontal rebar, you got bent rebar going around the corner, and then there's some vertical rebar inside here.
Well, every job's going to be different. These are our footing dowels coming up, and we can design for just about any type of job, and that's why we have so many notches in our webs.
Now this corner piece here, this looks like a great big zap snap.
Well, that's what it is. It's an anchorage in the corner. We have a corner plastic piece in here that we can attach siding to and things on the outside and drywall, whatever would need to be attached to it, and we use this to hold it during concrete placement and to give us anchorage after the concrete.
So that this goes in and pulls tight, and bingo, it's in place. Now, also there's some horizontal laid, almost like a mesh reinforcing here.
That's the block lock, they call it, and it's just a zigzag piece of metal, and we use that just for aligning our walls. We just lock that in. It fits right into our product and just keeps our walls nice and straight. We'll only do that a couple times in our wall just to keep it straight.
So that keeps it from wandering or snaking on the footing.
Makes it like a ruler.
Now, the system, when it locks together with these neat little X's, is that enough stability to take that thrust of concrete being placed in the
Yes, we've designed this to work by itself. We don't have to glue it together. It will lock itself together very tightly. This is held in. You can see that. I don't have any glue in that. And that's also will hold the concrete pressure when we put the concrete in, all the way up to the top, 10 feet of concrete. Plus, it'll hold internal vibration. So we put vibrators into our wall, and it's been designed for that.